Marta Peláez, President CEO, Family Violence Prevention Services. Perhaps you know us better through our residential program, the Battered Women and Children's Shelter, but I will speak briefly about all of our programs, and perhaps not all of them, but a few of them. To begin with, I would like to let the audience know that the Battered Women and Children's Shelter offers an array of programs to provide the safety, the self-sufficiency, and the possibility and hope into the future as victims move from crisis to resiliency to thriving in their own lives for the sake of their own lives and that of their children. One of the programs that provides immediate assistance to the victims that come to the shelter is our legal program. The legal program offers them options as they consider them, from divorce, custody matters, eviction matters, to address the crisis within the confines of the legal system. And with me today is Luis Treviño, one of the legal members of the legal team, an attorney, who will explain to us and to you all what the most important and immediate tool of assistance for victims is.
Thank you, Marta. My name is Luis Treviño. I'm an attorney at Family Violence Prevention Services, one of four. And like Marta said, one of the most important tools that we have as attorneys here at the legal department is that we offer help with protective orders. And protective orders are a civil order issued by a civil judge which prohibits the suspect from doing something, for example, communicating with the victim, harassing, or further hurting the victim anymore. So it really prevents any further violence. And it's usually the tool that victims ask for the most when they come to us. So when they come to us, they apply, and we take their case and we go ahead and file it like any other civil case in front of the judge. And the judge will have to hear evidence about the case, whether there was domestic violence and whether there's a probability that domestic violence will happen in the future. And if those two things are met, the judge will issue the civil protective order, and it's usually good for about 2 years. So if there is more serious bodily injury, or if there is repeated violations of the protective order, a judge may extend the protective order for more years, but it's usually good for 2 years.
See?
And
now, Luis, is the protective order, does the protective order include pets? I know the answer, but I want you to let people know.
yes, of course, it includes children, pets, people in the household, anyone that the victim or the applicant wants to protect. They are included in that protective order.
Okay. And there is an application on our website that people can download and initiate the process.
That's correct. They can go online. We have those applications ready to go. They go straight to our paralegal, and our paralegal will assign it to an attorney. So we will see the application very soon.
Another important fact about protective orders is that you do not have to be a guest at our Battered Women and Children's Shelter.
That's right.
You can come to our non-residential services building, 7911 Broadway, and apply to see one of you attorneys and consult on your legal options and apply for a protective order, correct?
That's correct. We have applications there on paper, in person, at the Broadway location. We have them online, like we mentioned, and we always have a person there every week, 2 times a week, there to see any victims in person, non-residential people that want to apply at the Broadway location.
Okay, so if you are in need of legal services, either residential or non-residential, please give us a call, 210-930-3669. The website lists all of the telephone numbers and the documents that you would need.